Hi, my name is Dr. Sahar Sam. I'm the CSO and co-founder at Solaire. My journey to leadership began when I started my grad school, especially during my PhD and after in my postdoc. I got to co-supervise so many great and amazing undergrads and grad students, which I enjoyed a lot, to the point that I started taking classes and workshops for leadership. And now at Solaire, I'm proud of leading several talented professional engineers and scientists. Throughout the years, I presented the result of my work and research in several international materials science and nanotechnology conferences and published several papers and patents. In 2017, in celebration of 150th anniversary of Canada, I was selected as one of 150 researchers who will shape Canada's future. One of my biggest accomplishments is to be able to use my knowledge and experience for something that I'm truly passionate about, which is working towards saving the planet and creating a better place for the next generation. At Solaire, I make sure that our research and product development are aligned with our business goal and on track with our go-to-market strategy. We opened our $2 million pre-seed round on September 1st. So now a big portion of my time is spent pitching Solaire to investors, communicating with them, following up with them, and also answer all their questions. Being always passionate about new technologies to improve human beings' life quality, my co-founder and I started Solaire knowing how important it is to take action now and reduce the carbon footprint. We have gathered a great number of specialists and experts in this field. We are working with several universities and industry partners to reach our goals. At Solaire, our mission is to make solar energy more accessible by developing photovoltaic solutions that contribute to minimizing the planet's environmental footprint. Innovating photovoltaic solutions for a cleaner world. We are Solaire.